Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've got another envelope here. It's from Jeannie Dreemer. Another entry in my competition, and she's got nice little flowers that she's put on here, but she puts the sticky tape over the top, and that is really good. Really good. Thank you so much. This is interesting, these stamps that she's having over there in the USA. They're interesting. And this one come by air. Well, of course he would. If he'd come by boat, he'd be away a while, didn't he? Wouldn't he? I'm just going to back here and open this. I don't want to cut anything off. Rightio. Okay, Jeannie, looking in here. Love the tissue. Love the tissue paper. Wow. Oh, yes, I've seen this. I've seen where you did this. Isn't this awesome? Isn't that beautiful? I watched a video of this. She has done a decoupaged napkin on here, and then she's gone and put glossy accents or I think there's glossy accents on that one, and there, and maybe she's used a bit of sparkle glitter glue or something, because she's put lots of glitter on there. And another lace trim. Look at this. I love this top bit. It's cool. And nice lace up there. And these flowers are really nice, aren't they? Love them flowers. Gee, that's nice. That's a beautiful picture. Lovely tag. Absolutely lovely tag. And in the back then she's got two more. And she stitched all around it on the machine. And in the back there's two tags. So this one here's got her information on there. And she said she's probably been a subby of mine for about 2 years. I think that's what that is. I think that's what it says, yeah. And on there is another pretty one. Here's another pretty tag. And on there, this has got her email address. Look at this. Isn't that good? Oh, that's a good idea. If you either punch that or you put it through the big shot. That is so nice. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Thank you so much, Jenny. I really appreciate that. You put a lot of work into that, Dawn. I think that's beautiful. Everybody puts a lot of work into their things. Isn't it lovely? Thank you very much. And thank you to everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.